Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to add some specific posts here in the navigation menu of your WordPress website? If yes, then you have come to the right video tutorial. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add specific posts of your WordPress website to your WordPress navigation menu. Now, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, then click on Appearance and click on Menus. Now scroll down to the Add Menu items. Now as you can see that there are various options available here like adding pages, adding custom links and lot of other stuff, but there is no option to add posts, right? But otherwise normally it appears here. So why it's not appearing? I'll tell you why. So in order to make that appear, click on screen options on the upper right hand side of your screen. Now check the box in front of posts. So now as you can see that post has been added to the add menu items list. Now all you have to do is in the add menu items, click on post, then select the post you want to add to the WordPress navigation menu. Then click the add to menu button. Now if you want, you can edit the label as you like. So after you have done all of that stuff, just click on the save menu button. So now let's go back to our WordPress website to see if it's working. So as you can see that my post has been added to the navigation menu, and when we click my post, we will be taken to that specific post. So that's basically it. That's how you add specific post to WordPress navigation menu. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.